Yes, good morning. Meditate. Look out the window and feel the sunshine shining through. Yes, time for a cup of joe. Good morning. How are you today? So it's a beautiful, brisk morning. Not too bad. It's not too bad. Down here in Martha's Vineyard. It's where I grew up. I'm just waking up. It's real early in the morning. There's already turkeys in the yard. You probably can't see them, but they're down there grazing in the grass. Anyway, I'll send you some pictures later, but I just wanted to give a good morning cheer to you, having my coffee in my home island. Yes, breathing in that fresh air. Trees are surrounding me. And you all know I love being with trees. So I'm up on a high deck overlooking the yard. And it's a beautiful morning. Yeah. Because you know I never get up this early. So coffee, tea, or time with me. So anyway, my day is going to begin soon, so that's all I'm going to talk about. I just wanted to give you a good mornings up with a cup of joe, or whatever you want to call your coffee. Anyhow, I'm going to get myself together and have some food, some fruits are on the table in there. The dogs are excited. They're not my dogs, they're my granddaughter's dogs, but they're in there. Probably can't see them. There they are. They're in the house, and they're mad because they want to come out here with me. But they gotta stay in there because why? They are too rambunctious for me. Anyhow, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Turkeys are out there enjoying life. So I'll do a more tour of what happens today periodically, and we'll put it all together for later tonight. All right, love y'all. Peace and good morning. There's the two turkeys grazing in the backyard near the fire pit, which is right there. And maybe later be able to access it and have a little fire burning. It's always good to do. There's the turkeys. Gobble, 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 gobble. They're beautiful, actually. And there's all the trees. Beautiful place, not too many houses. I like to have a house right in the back over there. Let me give you a little visual. Here's the backyard. I'm using the front this morning. Out the window, there's the dogs. Fire pit. And all the trees in the back. There's me in all my glory, and there's the gateway. You see the two double trees? Make a wish, because it can be all yours. Step through the gateway. Love you.